Right guys, back with the review of the kettle. It's Goodman's. They've been in business since 1923. It's a jug kettle. It's stainless steel. It's 1.7 litre. It's 3000 watts. It's 3000 watt fast boil. It's 360 degrees swivel base. It's got an illuminated on and off switch, and it's got overheat protection. What kettles in the UK have now is a safety device. So if they boil dry, they will cut out. Basically, so you don't burn the element out, and so you don't rack up a £5 million electric bill, because at 3 kilowatts per hour, that could be as much as £1 an hour. Right, let me open it that way. Oh, that's nice. You lift it out. You got, that's all you got, an instruction book. Right, let's put that down there for a minute. And as you can see, it's in like a plastic bubble. So get ready for the bang. There you go. Oh, it wasn't that bad. So then you just see. 3-year guarantee, I think. So stainless steel, as you can see. It's got a really good pourer. I keep losing me drawers. I'm not impressed. I keep losing me drawers. Almost fell down in the store. So the filter on the inside. The filter there. Yeah. I might be on the camera. Oh, that's clever. Right, hold on a minute. If I press that button, it pops the lid up. Let's do that again. Oh, this is a good one. Press the button. Oh, come on, to this. Put the lid down again. Up it comes. But I got a new toy. Hey, down we go. Press the button. And yeah, so press that button there, and it flicks the lid up. That's good, because now you can see the inside. You got a protected element, so you're not gonna get thing. Yeah, and you can right, you flick the lid up, right, and then if you want to get inside, you can flick it back like that. And then you can see, as you see, hold on, don't know where the camera is. Oh, you can see me, look. Oh no, you can see me in the bottom of the kettle. I'm taking this kettle back. Hey mister, there's a man inside my kettle. And if you actually, I'm not sure you can see it, but inside, hold on. Inside there, if I get the light right, that, hold on, let me switch hands. That bit there is actually a water filter. That stops all the crap from getting in your thing, because we've got really hard water where I live. It's full of salt. Oh, that's what's ruined my other kettle. And then you put it down. And then, as you can see, the base. Sealed unit. The on-off switch. That actually, apparently, that illuminates. I'll show you in a minute. I'll plug it on. Well, I'll probably do that a bit later when it's dark, so you can see it. Oops, put over my shoelace. Right, so that's the kettle. Okay. Then you've got a thingy tray. So you get the tray when you're packing it in the box. Put that there. Then that goes. It went no. Where did it go? Like that or something. That one goes there. We don't there, I think. Something like that anyway. Anyway, we don't need that. We take that out of there, we take that out of there. We take that and that. We stick that in the box. It's got one of the plastic covers on. 3-pin plug. Under UK law, all electrical devices in the UK have to be earthed. Oh, that's clever. Oh, that's really tight. Hey, this is a really good kettle. And just, whoa. I don't know, where's the, I don't know, I've got to find the clip so you can put it down. Leave me plug. Right, I'll have a look to make sure you can see. Right, put that on there. Leave me full. Lift me drawers up. It's getting dark, which is good. Right, let's just move a tad so you can see the base. Then take that plastic off there. Not sure what that's for, but that can come off there. That then just sits on there. Give me a sec, I'm going to get some water. Right, so press the button, lift it back, get me water, tip the water in. And if you see there's a level. Right, where's my phone? Shut the lid. Grab my phone. Give me a second. Open stopwatch. Okay. It didn't work. I haven't got one. Start timer. 20 seconds.
Okay, 20 seconds. Starting.
Right, if you can see, there's a little orange light just come on, and I'm giving it 20 seconds. It says it's supposed to be a fast boil. Let's see, just watch my face. Noisy. Well, that's 30 seconds. $40 seconds. That's 50 seconds. One and a half minutes. Right guys, I'll be back. Let me go see how long the other kettle takes. We empty the water out of the kettle. We fill exactly the same jar with water again. The lid down. We press both together. Right, kettle down. We're on 6 seconds right now. We're on 30 seconds in the kitchen so far. "75 seconds in the kitchen." "90 seconds in the kitchen." Stop. Okay, the kitchen kettle took 1 minute 53 seconds, so it's 113 seconds, so it's almost half a minute faster, which is not bad. That's what the kitchen took, 152. Right. Yeah, I like it. I like it because, like it says, it swivels. Finally, I get a cup of coffee that tastes like coffee. Right guys, comment, subscribe, share, like, tell me what you want me to make or review. And now it's getting dark. See the light there? Just there. You see the orange glow? Right, I'm done guys. I might be off now till till Thursday, okay? I need a break. Love you all, miss you all, talk to you soon.